Everyone, it's Grayden with TLC. Just wanted to run you real quick through a job site here in Upper Marlboro, what we're doing. Right now we are installing a zone manifold. The PVB plumbing device is going to come out of the house here. Then the main line runs out the left side of the manifold. But this one right here, it's got 3 zones on it. From each valve, it will get wired into the controller. And when the controller tells that zone to turn on, the valve opens up and then the water runs to the first zone out front, the second zone here on the side, the third zone on this back corner. Same thing with the other zone manifold. This right here is what the manifold sits in. This is really the deepest digging that we do within an irrigation install unless it's done by hand. We use a vibratory plow to run the poly pipe lines, the main line. The zone manifold sits in this valve box. This is a 10-inch round valve box. Anytime that any service needs to be done to a manifold, if the system wasn't winterized properly and there was damage done to the valve, we just turn the cover, pop it off, and we reach right in and we can do all servicing that we need. This is our second and final zone manifold that we're installing down here at the Upper Marlboro irrigation job. The guys are laying down the poly pipe. This is the main line, and they're gonna lay it down into the ground and connect it here to this male adapter that takes the poly pipe to the PVC. The main line then runs the water through the manifold. This would be zone 4. When the irrigation controller, the Hydro smart controller, tells zone 4 to come on, the valve opens up and the water runs out, turns the zone on, water sprays for the allotted amount of time. Next zone, this one shuts, zone 5 turns on, zone 6, and so forth. This is the end of the zone manifold installs. It's going to go in this standard valve box. It's a little bit bigger than the 10-inch round over on the other side of the house, but none of them are much bigger than this. Again, this is the most digging that we'll really do at an irrigation install. Not intrusive to the ground, to the yard. There's a lot of dirt that comes up, but most of it is put back in place. I want to thank you guys for watching another one of our TLC installation videos. For more information, click the link below, go to our YouTube page, websites, or our Facebook page. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys soon.